All right, it has been a couple days since we've been back to the lake house, and we're going to do a little bit of a overview of some of the work that's going on to date. We got rough grade started right now on the water feature, and the landscape portion has kicked off pretty well. So we're moving along here. Headwaters are going to come out along this side. We still have the grade to come up on both sides, so it's going to look a little low. And the idea is to have this look like a little bit of a trickling mountain stream as it comes through. You kind of see the liner. Get a good view down below of the return line that's coming up from the water basin on both sides. So as we come across, you'll be able to walk down the stairs on both ends here and here. And did a little bit of an informal change here from the client request, is to have a little spot here we can have a couple of Adirondacks set across as you walk across the stream bed. So we'll have a set of water basins flowing down through. Coming across here, there'll be some more mixed stone mixed in as we go. And then as you come down to the spring house, the reason why it's called the spring house, the water feature will extend. I got some extra liner that's going to go through, but it's going to visually appear like it's coming down pretty close to and disappearing and coming back into it. So I'll take a little walk back down, see some of the other prep work that's going on. Got gravel base, and you can see the filtered fabric that's down below for the additional, there's a patio extension that's coming out. We're going to take the existing pavers, mix them in with some new, clean them, and then have those two filtered together. And then one of the other great changes down below is we've got rough grade in, some of the excavation done. This circle garden is going to be a combination of two things. There's going to be seating inside, so you'll be able to sit on both sides facing outwards towards the lake. And then you can see the utility line stubbed up. We're going to have a gas line that runs in and run a small fire bowl in the centerpiece, so it'll be a little bit protected from it. But this is all rough graded. There's going to be a shallow gravel pathway that leads out and snakes its way out to the lakeside trail. So this is starting to take shape a little bit more. You can see the recycling basin in the spring house below, and some of the gravel base that's just prepped. It's not set yet, but the gravel base that's here is prepped. And then we've got some steps up into the spring house. You start to get a sense of how this will look as it all comes together. There's a water weir when it comes on. This still has to be waterproofed. And then the existing basin that's below is going to be filled with some more stone to match. So a little bit of an overview. We're also going to take some drone footage today, so there will be a silent that goes through it. And you can also see the additional sandstone boulder work that's here. You have quite a bit of stonework that still is left to go in, as well as some larger stones that are going to be accent pieces as you go through the circle garden. So a little overlook. We've got probably 2 weeks to go, maybe 3-ish or so, since Labor Day is coming up. And then there will also be some renovation work done on the deck here at the lakeside house.